Good morning and welcome to the Forex Market Wrap, brought to you by Pepperstone on Thursday the 21st of September 2017. I'm Darren Sinden. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves we need to be aware of. And really the story is one of a dollar rally, euro dollar trading with 118 handle, the yen back above 112, dollar CAD 123.33 and dollar index itself 92.52. And we can see what that's all about in the next chart. 2-year treasuries and dollar index reacting to the Fed Open Markets Committee decision last night. They didn't actually do anything for September, but they certainly signalled what was to come. So we can see US 2-year yields rising sharply and the dollar index actually starting to rally. Okay, what's on the calendar today? Events that may move the market. Well, we're really continuing our central bank theme. We've had a bulletin from the Reserve Bank of Australia earlier this morning, and then at just before 3 GMT we heard from the Bank of Japan on interest rates and QE. And now we've got a series of central bank speeches to come, starting with the Reserve Bank of Australia's Governor Philip Lowe. He's speaking right at the moment. The Bank of Japan will hold their press conference and a speech by Governor Kuroda. That starts at 6:30 GMT. And then later on this morning, we'll have an economic bulletin out of the Eurozone. Public sector borrowing for the UK would obviously be one to watch because that will affect market sentiment around sterling, I'd suggest. And then at 9:30 GMT, the ECB's Pre-A is speaking. It's the first of two speeches today by ECB Council members. At 12:30 GMT, we have continuing jobless claims and initial jobless claims out of the States alongside the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index for September. And then at 1 o'clock, US House Price Survey. Perhaps the most important event of the afternoon, though, will be Mario Draghi's speech, which kicks off at 13:30 GMT. Right, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye. Well, first of all, the US Federal Reserve signalled last night that it will begin balance sheet reductions in October and indicated that it would like to raise rates in December if it could. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan has taken no action at this meeting, though one member of the Monetary Policy Committee did argue for further quantitative easing in the country. Staying in Asia Pacific, New Zealand's Q1 GDP has been revised higher as the Q2 data picks up. And moving over to Thailand, Thailand posted record exports in August and the largest trade surplus for almost a year as a result of those numbers. Back to New York today, and Donald Trump will sit down with Moon Jae-in and Shinzo Abe at the UN today, doubtless with North Korea very high on the agenda in the list of things they'll talk about. Okay, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day. And after Sunday's German election, President Macron of France and Angela Merkel may have the chance to work on EU integration. But the French president faces many challenges at home, as Goldman Sachs illustrate opposite. So just take a look at this very interesting infographic, and some of the data here does give you a clear idea of what the challenges are that the French political establishment faces. Thank you for your time today. Please take a moment to read the risk warning and disclaimer. Trading CFDs and Forex on margin can be a risky business, and if you're in any doubt about those risks, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative.